Hello, myself Dr. Dipak Shirbhate. I'm working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I'm going to demonstrate you virtual reality modeling language, interactive uh, Larton using Vivaty Studio. So this will be the node tree or graph for the lamp. Now, instead of creating the model of the lamp, it will be always better to use some ready-made 3D model because modeling is very poor as far as Vivaty Studio modeling capabilities are concerned. Vivaty can build simple non-attractive models. So even if you build a model, it will not be that much attractive. Downloading 3D model from website will save your time. That is another thing, another reason for downloading the model. This will enable us to concentrate on logic building because our efforts will be saved and we will use those efforts in the logic building. And 3D model can be found very easily on various websites. My favorite website is Archive 3D, on which you will get all the free models. Means lot of free models are available. So here actually I will demonstrate you. So you just open this particular website archive3d.net. You download the model. It will be in the zip format. Copy that particular file on your desktop and unzip it. Give proper name. Here I have given the name as lantern. Lantern3d.zip. Now extract those files in the folder. Now in the folder, the file which is of our interest is the 3D Studio file. .3ds file will be the required file that we want to convert. You can directly import this 3ds file directly in Vivaty Studio, but most of the times the Vivaty Studio will become non-responsive, and therefore converting will help you to import this model. So I'm directly converting it to virtual reality modeling language format. So I'm exporting it. This is the CAD exchanger software free utility for exchanging the CAD files. So this is the required file which appeared on my desktop. Now this is the required file. This is the lamp actually that we want to import into our Vivaty Studio. Instead of directly importing, I have converted it into Vrml format so that Vivaty can easily import it. Otherwise, if it is a low polyline object, you can directly import the model into Vivaty Studio. But most of the times I found that Vivaty Studio becomes non-responsive. So it becomes very difficult to directly import. Now let us import this file, and you can see that we have imported that particular 3D model which was downloaded from the net. So we will be creating the point light and touch sensor. The procedure will be like this. Now we have already imported this particular model. Now I will be creating one group. Place this group at 000 position. Give appropriate name to this group as wizard underscore group. Now in the wizard group we can create rest of the elements. I will be creating touch sensor. Place one touch sensor. This is a touch sensor 1, and I will be creating one point light. By default, this is a spotlight. Convert it into point light. Bring the light to absolute 0 0 position. Convert it into point light. Now this is a light having a huge radius actually. So it will illuminate all the area within the vicinity. So to reduce its intensity, we will scale it down so that its illumination can be reduced to a specified area. So I have scaled it down to 0.1 scale factor. Then we will be creating knob groups, cylinder and box, that will represent the knob. Point light we have already created. Now create the knob. Now we will be creating the knob. Bring this group to absolute 0 0 0 position. So this is a cylinder. The height of the cylinder is 0.682. Radius is 0.645. Similarly, we will create the box also. Similarly, create the box. So we will call this group as knob group. Now you can see that the dimensions are excessively uh, large as compared to the object. So we will place these two objects, cylinder and box, in a particular group, and we will scale down that particular group so that the objects sizes should be in accordance with the lamp. So I have put these two things in one group. Now you can scale down that particular group, so both the objects will scale down. This will represent the knob actually. So that's why we are calling this group as a knob group. This is the appropriate, say, scale factor. 0.05 is the appropriate scale factor. Now we will place this knob at appropriate position. Change the color to black so that we can easily identify. Then there will be script. This is the required script actually. This is the script, and these are the fields. Four fields, three fields will be there, and there will be one use node. So we will create the script. Go to the script. Give appropriate name to this script. Script underscore light. Then go to the edit script. Paste that particular script. Then add fields. Three fields will be required. First field will be called as light. Second field will be called as state. Third field will be toggle field. Third field will be called as toggle field. Initialize only light field. Select SF boolean. Initialize only. Type SF accept time input only. Now in this particular step we will position the knob at appropriate position. First adjust the view. I will try to bring the knob at the front of the lamp. Then you adjust the point light. Place it at a perfect location, maybe at the top of the lamp. So point light is in the on position. Now we will create the use node. So create use, place it at proper position and use point light actually. Select the point light 1, that's all. Now this will take in effect when you will click outside. Then there will be the last step will be root, creating the root. Create the root. The root will be from touch sensor to the script. So this is a required root. Now we will check the final output. I have saved that file with, and this is a touch sensor, and you can see that we can uh, make the light on and off. We can toggle the light in on and off position. You can see the change in the color illumination also. It shows that our logic is working. So thanks for watching this video. In case of any query or clarification, you can contact me on my contact detail. Thank you.